So let me show you step by step how to share non-edited document in Google Drive. So first step, after you open your Google Drive like this, you click on this My Drive. So under My Drive, now go and find the file or the folder you want to share that you don't want anyone to edit the file. So I want to share this one. I'll right click on the file. After you right click on the file, go to share again. So from this option, now you click on this restricted, you select anyone with the link. So now under this viewer, and then click on this settings, and then now click on this editor, on check. After you uncheck all this edit and comment, and then you click on this back arrow. So now you copy the link and go to done. After you finish that, now you go and share the link with the person that you want him to share to. And then if the person now open the link like this one, I'll right click on this, go to incognito. So let's now first the link. Now here is the link. If I press enter, now I can be able now to view the file, but I cannot be able now to edit the file. So as you can see, here is the file. So now I can view the file, but I cannot be able to edit the file because the file has been set as only viewer. So as you can see now, if I want to edit the file, I'll just click on this request edit access. Then an email will be sent to the original person of the original owner. If the person wants, can allow you to edit the file. If this video helps, like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.